What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on the Lexus, and yes, we're doing multiple videos at the same time and spreading it out, uploading it separately just because we have the opportunity to work in a warehouse and we're able to knock out multiple projects at once. We're actually prepping the car for blowing clean, so stay tuned. So this episode is going to be on the tail lights. As you can see, we already started. When you give a comparison, not just a full install video. So these are the original tail lights. I have an 03 ls430, and we upgraded to these full LED, and it has like the white in the middle. I think this looks a little more grandpa-ish, so you can take a look. Of course, it's not closed yet completely, so it's not lined up. So let's install it, and I'll show you it. You'll start off by lifting up this part, and this is a little cover here. Oh, yep, there it comes right off. So it's usually clips that holds it up, and it's gonna be, you're gonna need a 10. It's gonna be one under here. There's another one. All right, so as you see, we're gonna be working on the tail lights. This is, put it down, OEM, and the new ones. The new ones are full LED, and then the whole bar is white. So this one's orange. To start off, there's this panel that comes off from here and exposes you to three 10 millimeters. So there's one, and there's another one here under plastic, and then the other one is over there. Once you take that off, unplug the light, and this should come off. So it's already installed. Fits very snug, looks nice. Put everything back, the three 10 millimeters, and then actually I forgot to put that one back. Make sure you put a little plug in here. Put this back, and then we're gonna go to here. We take this side off and expose this to the three 10 millimeter also for the tail lights. So let's get that taken off. We can pull the tail light back and put the other tail light there. So take out the tail light, the 3 bolts, and this is what you have. Take out the switch or the plug, and then let's take out the other headlight, another tail light. So basically, very simple install. This one gonna have ballast as well as the top ones, so I'm just gonna slide it through a little Velcro door. Let it hang for now inside the trunk, and as you can see over there, those are the ballast boxes. That is a ballast. I believe each of them have 2 of them. I'm not sure why, but they're full LED, so maybe it's not for that. But take it off, line up the 3 prongs, make sure the seal is on it as well, and then bolt it right back up. They are on. Oh, perfect. Guys, that's it for today's video. Tail lights are on. That looks good. I mean, I'll show you guys, but I have a full wall kit on the car. And last video we did the retrofits. Check it out, but here we go. All right, guys, thank you for all the support. Check out all the other videos we have of the LS. There's a lot more videos coming. I'm gonna try to see if I can find somebody locally that wants puddle lights. I did the puddle lights on this car, but again, no time to really record. I believe the taillights go in error code. I'm not sure, have to double check. But last time I did test them out, they did go an error code. Again, it's just an error code for LED. It reads it like it's not enough power, I guess, or it's a bulb is off. But hey, small price to pay to have nicer taillights. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support on all the platforms. Check out our IG. We have loads of content coming up and being loaded up daily on the IG. And yeah, guys, on to the next one.